Do you want to create simple desktop icons for your Microsoft Windows apps? Then you can watch this video tutorial to know more about that. Now first up, you can use your Microsoft Paint. Do it by opening Microsoft Paint on your desktop. You can just find your square image, then enable grid lines. Now on the image area of the toolbar, click the resize and skew icon. And once done, zoom in using the plus icon at the bottom right corner. After that, save it and make it a PNG file. And then use an online converter on your browser to convert it into an ICO. Next up, you can also use a photo editing software. Open an image in your photo editing app like gimp.org. You can just find your square image, then right-click on the image layer in the Layers panel, select Add Alpha Channel, and remove the background if you like. After that, make the image square by going to Image, click Canvas Size, click the chain icon to unlink width and height, then set the width and height to the same number. You'd also use the offset values to center the image, then click Resize. Now once done, you have to go to Image, then fit Canvas to Layers, and after that process, go to File, click Export As, change the extension to .ico, then save the icon to a location where you can find it again. Now to apply the image, simply right-click on your shortcut, choose Properties, click Change Icon, click Browse, select your icon file, and then apply it by clicking OK. Now that's how easy you can use a custom image as a program icon in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.